Hello everybody, welcome to POV Driving. Today we have something special to do. We're testing out my personal car here in sunny California. I recently bought a new car because I'm gonna start studying in the US. So, of course I buy the BMW 135i, you know. If you have around 10,000 bucks and you want something really fast and really cool, this is what you buy. So, I thought of sharing it with you guys on the channel because, you know, I think this is a really cool car. It's from 2008. It's the 135, so it has the legendary N54 engine. It's a twin turbo inline 6 engine with around like 302 horsepower here in the US and a bunch of torque. Here's a guy with a Ford. How you doing? But yeah, with the top down, you know, this is a cabriolet. So with the top down, you can really hear a lot of engine noise from the car actually. Even though it's not one of the loudest cars on the market, it's definitely a premium, well-built sports convertible. And if you're looking to buy a car for under $10,000 and you don't want to rob a bank, you know, then you should look at the 135i. It's so much car for the money that, you know, it's hard to buy anything else in this price range. We have a 6-speed gearbox here. This car is not equipped with the sports package. It has more the comfort package. So it has these nice leather seats, you know, it has a premium sound system. We basically have everything except for the navigation package, the sport package, and the rest we have. It's a really good car. It also does great fuel economy on the highway. So, you know, you can do like 35 miles per gallon, you know, without a problem. And that's coming from a performance car with over 300 horsepower, and it's a really small car. So it's like, it feels a similar size as a Mini Cooper I drove recently. And when you downshift, you get these small burbles. It's not like a big bang, but it's more of a burble. It's like it's just burbling around. So yeah, it definitely moves. It's the twin turbo engine, you know, so it's very linear with the torque, and it feels really steady, you know. In Sweden, one of these cars are like $15,000 to $20,000, but here in the US they're like half price. So it was a really good purchase for me personally. I like a fast car, I like a convertible. I'm not the biggest fan of BMW, but I can really tell that this 135 is a really good car actually. I'm surprised. It's also, the car is quite discreet, you know. The exterior looks, I think it looks good, but it can definitely look better than this. And driving here in the United States of America, whew, things are very different. Like, you're allowed to turn on the light. If you have a red light, you're allowed to turn left or right. I'm not sure, but it's pretty wild, you know. Where I come from, you know, it's a big no-no to turn or driving at the red light whatsoever. But yeah, the sun here in California is great, you know. The fuel costs nothing. It's really relaxing. Now I'm gonna change my lanes here and do some acceleration. Oh! Now we have a red light. It's time for a drag race with this Grand Cherokee. Who's gonna win, guys? The Jeep Cherokee or the BMW 135i? Leave a comment below. Who's gonna win? I think I'm gonna kick his ass. Woo! Some wheel spin, short shifted at like 6,000 RPMs, and boom, we did some wheel spin and we got going. We are the best. Now I'm just gonna fill up the car with some air. It needs air. I can show you the car also from the exterior more. I mean, it's a really good looking car, I think. It has these ventilated brakes also, so the brakes are really good and they don't overheat. We have tinted windows, which are pretty legal, but I'm Batman, so nobody knows who I am. Overall, really good looking, subtle, fast car. I'm gonna go into the store here and get the air. I'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back at it. Did you know I'm a good runner? I've done marathons in my life. Right now my colleague Victor in Sweden, he's driving the Jaguar E-Pace, or sorry, the I-Pace. It's the fully electric car. Pretty wild. Spinly spin. Woo! Okay, let's go. And now we have a Porsche Boxster to our right here. Look at that shit, look at that shit. You see that Boxster? You see that Boxster? Oh, that mother, that guy. I think he's a fast driver. You see, he's now going at a red light. Oh, it's green now, but it's pretty crazy. But yeah, overall, I really like this car actually. The performance is great. You know, if you know, it's a convertible, so it might be, you know, but it's really fun to drive. Wow, wow, wow. Especially with the top down, you know, you get so much more activity. You get the exhaust noise. Now I have a Focus ST behind me. Bro, this thing is a beast. And you know, it's good fuel economy, nice stereo system, convertible. The chicks love it. It's 2008, low mileage. So yeah, this is my personal car, you know. So I'm enjoying myself with it, you know, just doing what I want. If I wanted to smash it into a tree, I can do that, you know. So there's no rules, no regulations today. Just me and the car and the beautiful city and state of California. California love. And the shifts are actually, it's not dual clutch, you know, you could tell. It's like a normal automatic. But it does great work. I'm not sure if I'm gonna turn here, but I'm gonna do it. I'm pretty lost. But I mean, you know, How can you not like this car? Oh wow. And I've heard that if you do some tuning, like you can put an exhaust and the ECU tune on this, then you get like 400 horsepower and a lot of torque, and you will like destroy everything in your way, I think. SRT King. Yeah, it really moves. Where's the police? Oh, great. And yeah, it's a rear wheel drive also, you know, so. Oh, here we have some handling. Ooh. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh! Tight. Yeah, the car feels really tight actually, even though it's a convertible, you know. It's a really dynamic car. Good fuel economy, good price. Man, I love the 135i. It's a really great car. Now listen to this V8 here. Jesus. California love. So yeah, if anyone is in California, if you have a nice car or if you want to do something cool with me, you know, I'm down. Just hit me up on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. And I'm so lost. I'm gonna follow this Dodge Charger. I don't know what I'm doing. What is this shit? Kidding me? Guys, I have to turn around. I'm lost. I'm at this church here. This SRT 8 is just making a bunch of noise because he's from America. Here we have some nice Range Rovers and a GMC, I don't know what. Oh, it's here. I'm an idiot. So there's a stop sign, we're good boys. Here we go. Okay, let's do this shit. Okay, I'm just gonna park here and then finish this review. Because I'm lost, you know, I don't know where I am. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my review of the BMW 135i. It's a really good car. I really have to say, even though I'm not the biggest BMW fan, you know, it's a really good car. And now, you know, it's 10 years old, but it still feels new, and it feels very premium. It's very fast, it's reliable, it's cheap. You know, do you want me to continue or what? It's a great car. You really have to check it out. And this interior is a classic design. So if you want a fast car for under 10 grand, and if you're a good negotiator like me, you can get it for 6,500 bucks. But yeah, my name is Nicholas. This is POV Driving. Leave a comment below, you know, if you want us to drive anything special. We have a lot of exciting news coming up, even in USA, Sweden, Germany, China. You know, we're expanding worldwide, so if you want to be part of our movement, make sure to hit us up. But thank you so much for watching, you know, like, subscribe, blah blah blah. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao ciao.